In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove favorite contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Phone app and then you can get into Favorites. That's where you can find all your favorite contacts, and that's where you can add new contacts to your favorites. To do that, hit at that plus sign that will bring up your contacts book, and from here you can scroll down until you find a contact which you want to add as your favorite. Let it be that one, and then you can just tap at that contact's name, and that will come up with the different ways how you can communicate with that user and which type of communication you wish to add as your favorite. So I can select call, then select phone number, and that will add that user's phone number to my favorites. So I can just tap on it to quickly call to that user. Also, I can add the same user, but I can make a shortcut for a quick message. So I can tap at message, and as you can see, now I got two different favorite contacts for one particular user, but the first one is a mobile call and the second one is messages. Also, from here, in any time you can remove favorite contacts. You can just swipe to the left and then hit at delete. This action does not delete the contact from your contacts book. That will just delete that contact from favorites. Also, you can tap on edit and delete contacts from favorites in that simple way, simply by hitting at that minus signs. Also, you can tap and hold at that icon and change the order of that contacts in favorites list. Once you've done with that, hit at done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.